Hi, hello everyone. Welcome back to my brand new channel, Learning Lab. I hope all you people are doing well, right? So in our videos, the people who are watching my videos, I am very thankful to you. If at all anybody is not subscribed my channel, please subscribe my channel and give like and share it. Okay. In the last video, we have seen the definition of prime number, twin primes and co-primes, and composite number, and we have also seen the difference between the prime number and composite number, right? So let us know now in the number system. Today we will try to discuss about even number and odd number and divisibility rules. Okay, so let us see here. Even number definition. Even number is a number which is divisible by 2 is called an even number. A number which is divisible by 2 is called an even number. Divisible by means what? It should exactly divide. Means whenever you are dividing a number with 2, you have to get remainder 0. Suppose 2 only take. 2 I am dividing with 2. 2 ones are 2. What is the remainder? I got 0. Right? So this 2 is called an even number. Suppose if I divide with 0, 2 how many times 0? 2 zeros are 0. So this 0 is also called an even number. Like this you take up any number. Suppose 18. 2 if we divide, 2 nines are 18. 0. So 18 is called an even number. Like this if we take 98. 2 if you divide, 2 fours are 8. What is remainder? 18. So bring down this. 2 nines are 18. 18 minus 18, 0. So this 98 is also called an even number. I think you have gotten clarity what is divisible by. Divisible by means when we are dividing a number with 2, if we get the remainder 0, then that number is called an even number. Like this here, 2, 4, 0, 18, 98, these all are, right? So you can take that this for all numbers. Here, example says, if you take here general form, I am taking general form of an even number. Even number is 2n. General form of an even number is 2n, where n belongs to w. Where n belongs to w. What is n? N is nothing but W. What is W? W is a whole number. We have discussed this whole number. If anybody doesn't know about the whole number, in the second video we have discussed about the whole number. Whole numbers are starts from 0, 1, 2 and so on. Right? If you take 0 in place of n, what will you get? 2 into 0 means 0 you will get. 0 is a first even number. Next, 1 if you take, 2 into 1, 2. Next, 2 if you replace by n replaced by 2, then you will get 4. N replaced by 3, then you will get 6, 8, 10, like this you will get. Means 0, 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 11, 10, 12, 14, like that. These all numbers are called as even numbers. So where general form is this one. Please remember this. With respect to n, if you take, with respect to negative integers also becomes even numbers. So but then you have to take here n as z, integers. If n is an integer, then this is also become a negative even number, positive even number, you will get like that. Okay. So this is the general form of even number. Similarly, odd number definition. A number which is not divisible by 2 is called an odd number. A number which is not divisible by 2 is called an odd number means what? Whenever we are dividing a number with 2, if you won't get 0 as a remainder, then that number is called odd number. Simply, other than even numbers are all, you can blindly say that the numbers which are not even are called odd numbers. The numbers which are not even are called odd numbers, or else a number which is not divisible by 2 is called an odd number. Other than 0 and 2, in between 1, 3, 5, 7, 9, 11, 13, 15, 17 and so on. These all types of numbers are called odd numbers. Now if you take the general form of odd number, an odd number is 2n plus 1, where n belongs to w, where n belongs to w. See here, if you replace n by 0, then you will get 2 into 0 plus 1, 1. 2 into 0, 0 plus 1, 1 you will get. If you take n replaced by 2, 1. 2 into 1 plus 1. 2 into 1, 1, 2 plus 1, 3. So if you take 0, you will get 1. If you take 1, you will get 3. If you take 2, you will get 5, like this. For every value of n, there is another value, 2n plus 1. Clear? So these all are the examples of this. Here examples of this is nothing but if you take general form is this according to this 0, 2, 4, 6, 8, 10 and so on. These are the examples of even number and these are the examples of odd number. Right? I think you people might get the difference between even number and odd number along with the examples, definition and examples. Clear? Next we will see divisibility rules. Okay. Right. Next divisibility rules. Let us see first divisibility rule of 2. What is the divisibility rule for 2? If the unit digit of a number is either 0 or 2 or 4 or 6 or 8, then the whole number is divisible by 2. Do you get the point? See, you take up any number, whatever may be the number, that must be ended with. Unit digit is nothing but what? Last, right side, last digit, right? If any number is ends with either 0 or 2 or 4 or 6 or 8, then the whole number is divisible by 2. You take up any number, 1 0 0 0 0 0 0. I am taking this one. Suppose 1 lakh or 110,000, whatever it may be. We have to check only whatever may be the number of digits it contains. Doesn't matter. You have to check only the last digit, only the unit digit. Whether it is 0 or 4 or 2 or 6 or 8. If any of these exists, blindly we can say that that particular number will be divisible by 2. Definitely. Clear? You take up any number 1 8 8 8 3. You have to check only last digit. Is this a digit is ending with any of this either 0 or 2 or 4 or 6 or 8? No. Apart from those 3 existed. So it will not divisible by 2. We can say that this particular number is not divisible by 2. Clear? You take up like examples, you take number of 8. Only 8 I have taken. Single digit. Will it divisible by 2 or not? Yes. Because it has only one digit, that is only last digit, that is only first digit, and that is only unit digit. So unit digit is 8 here. So it will be divisible by 2. Like this, some 2-digit number you take up, 18 or else some 16. You can take up 16 number. 16 means you have what we have to check? Only unit digit 6. It exists here. So it will divisible by 2. Similarly, 3-digit number 104, let us take. You have to take only last digit. You have to think about last digit. 4 existed here. Last digit is 4, so it will be divisible by 2. Like this 4th digit. Suppose 199, some 8 or 9, 4, 6, let us take my 1996. That is also divisible by your last digit is 6. Clear? Right. If we come to the divisibility rule 3, if the sum of the digits of a number is divisible by 3, if the sum of the digits of a number is divisible by 3, then the whole number is divisible by 3. What you have to do? You take up any number, either it is single digit or 2 digit or 3 digit or 4 digit or 5 digit or 6 digit, whatever may be the digits existed in that particular number, doesn't matter. The thing is, you need to add all the digits of that particular number. If that, but after adding whatever the number you are getting result, if that result is divisible by 3, then we can blindly say that the whole entire number will be divisible by 3. Let us take an example of single digit number. Suppose 3. 3 here. In this particular number, only one digit exists, that is 3. The sum is also 3, so 3 is divisible by 3. So we can say that this 3 is divisible by 3. Next, 2-digit number, if I take sum 26. What we have to do? We have to add 2 plus 6. 8. Will 8 divisible by 3? No. So 26 will not divisible by 3. Clear? Like this. Suppose 198. 3-digit number. You take a 1 plus 9 plus 8. 1 plus 9, 10. 10 plus 8, 18. 1 plus 9 plus 8 becomes 18. Will 18 divisible by 3? Yes. So once 18 divisible by 3, then we can say that whole 198 will also divisible by 3. Is it clear to everybody? This is 3-digit number definition, and this is 2-digit number example, and this is single-digit number example. And at the same time 4-digit also you can take up. Suppose 1023 if I take, this is a 4-digit number. In this case also what you have to do, you have to add all the digits present in the given number. 1 plus 0 plus 2 plus 3, what we will get here? 6 you will get. Will 6 divisible by 3? Yes, obviously 3 2 is 6, so 6 will be divisible by 3. Therefore whole entire number 1023 is also divisible by 3. Like this, you take up a number with any number of digits, you can check this divisibility rule. Clear? This is about divisibility rule 2 and this is divisibility rule 3. Okay? Right, next divisibility rule. Next is divisibility rule 4. What is the divisibility rule of 4? What is the divisibility rule of 5? Let us have a look here. For 4, if the last 2 digits of a number is divisible by 4, then the whole number is divisible by 4. You take up any number, if that number is divisible by, in that number last 2 digits means 10th digit and unit digit will be divisible by 4, then we can say that entire number will be divisible by 4. You can take an example of, suppose single digit if you take up, it can be written as last 0 4 also we can write. So last 2 digits is 0 and 4. Will it divisible by 4? Obviously 0 4 by 4 means you will get 1. Clear? So this whole number is divisible by 4. Suppose some 24 I am taking. Last 2 digits of this number is 24 only. So 24 will divisible by will it divisible by 4 or not? Yes, divisible by 4. So whole number will be divisible by 4. Whole number is nothing but 24 only. The last 2 digits are also 24. No problem. Next, similarly, some 128 I am taking. 3-digit number. In this last 2 digits are 28. Will 28 divisible by 4 or not? Yes, 4 7 is 28. So 28 will be divisible by 4. Therefore, whole 128 will also divisible by 4. You get my point? Similarly, 4-digit number 1004 I am taking. 4-digit number. Will it divisible by 4 or not? You have to check last 2 digits. 04 again here same game. So 04 will divisible by 4. So the whole entire 1004 also will be divisible by 4. Similarly, 5-digit number if I take 1 2 3 4 1 2 3 9 6 I will take. This is 5-digit number. In this case also you have to check only last 2 digits. 96. Will this 96 will divisible by 4 or not? Yes, 16 19 4 76. Sorry. 24 4 is 96. Right? See, if you divide this 4, you will get 4 2s and 4 4s are 24, right? So this 96 will divide with the 4, means 96 will be divisible by 4, means whole number 1 2 3 9 6 is also divisible by 4. You get the clarity? How to check the divisibility rule for 4? We have to check only for last 2 digits. Clear? Right. If the last 2 digits are divisible by 4, then we can say that the entire whole number will be divisible by 4. Similarly, divisibility rule 5. This is very simple. If the unit digit of a number is either 0 or 5, then the whole number is divisible by 5. Simple, we can say that. If the unit digit of a number means if any number ends with either 0 or 5, either 0 or 5. You take up any number, example, suppose 15, will it divisible by 5 or not? Yes, because it is ends with 5. Suppose 1995, will it divisible by 5 or not? Yes, because it ends with 5. 2000, will it divisible by 5 or not? Yes, it is divisible by 5 because it ends with 0. We have to check only last digit, whether it is 0 or 5. If 0 exists or 5 exists, blindly we can say that that particular number will, whole entire number will be divisible by 5. Clear? 2023, will it divisible by 5 or not? No, because unit digit of this number is 3. Here it should exist either 0 or 5. Clear? So this is will not divisible by 5. This is divisible by 5. This is divisible by 5. This is divisible by 5. Clear? Next, divisibility rule 6. Next, divisibility rule 6. Let us see here. What is the divisibility rule 6? Is nothing but if a number is divisible by both 2 and 3, then that is also divisible by 6. So already we have seen 2, 3, 4, 5, right? Now 6, if you come to the divisibility rule for 6, it should, that particular number should divisible by both 2 and 3. Means in order to divisible by 6, the number should follow the two conditions. What are those? Divisibility rule 2. That should be divisible by 2 and that should be divisible by 3. If both divides with 2 and 3, then it is also automatically it will divisible by 6. Let us take an example here. This is divisibility. See, this symbol is nothing but divisibility. What is this? Divisibility. It's not divided. Clear? Divided is different. Divisibility is different. If I write 6 divides 2, this meaning is 2 is divisible by, sorry, this is wrong. Generally we'll write 6 divided by 2 like this, right? But here when 2 divides 6, we have to write 2 divides 6. This is symbol is divisibility. I forgot to tell you in the beginning itself, whenever I started in the divisibility 2, rule 2, I have to say this, but I forgot here. No problem. You have to know the symbols also, right? So this straight line, this is slant line is also called as divisibility. Clear? It should be perpendicular. We will see now. This is horizontal line, this is vertical line. This vertical line is called as divisibility. Vertical line is called divisibility. Please be remember this. 2 divides 6. This meaning is 2 divides 6 or 6 is divisible by 2. Clear? Don't say that this is 2 by 6. Clear? So I'll say that 2 divides 6. Now I'll take another number, some number 18 I'll take. 2 divides 18. Means 18 is divisible by 2. Clear? Now similarly, will it same number will divides with 3? See here, is 18 divisible by 3? Yes. 3 6 are 18, right? 3 divides 18. 2 divides 18. Means this 18 number divides both here. 2 divides 18, 3 divides 18. Means 18 and number 18 satisfy the divisibility rules 2 and 3. As per the definition of divisibility rule 6, if any number satisfy the rules of 2 and 3, then it is also divisible by 6. So similarly, clearly, immediately we can say that 6 divides 18 or 18 is divisible by 6. Is it clear to everybody? Right. Now, some 2024 I will take. 2024. Now this number, will this number is divisible by 2? Definitely. Why? Because in order to divisible by 2, the unit digit must be ends with either 0 or 2 or 4 or 6 or 8. Here 4 exists, so it divides 2024. Now will it divides with 3 or not? Let us check. In order to divide with 3, what we have to check? We have to add all the digits of a given number. 2 plus 0 plus 2 plus 4. How much will you get? 4 plus 4 is 8. Will 8 divisible by 3? No. So once 8 is not divisible by 3, means 3 is also not divisible by whole number. Not means just cross line you keep on the divisibility. Clear? 3 does not divisible by 3 does not divide 2024, or 2024 will not divisible by 3. But 2024 will be divisible by 2. So now can we say that in this case 6 divides 2024? No, because 2 and 3 both the conditions should satisfy. Here 2 satisfied, but 3, divisibility rule 3 is not satisfied. So this particular 2024 will not divide 6. 6 will not divide 2024, right? 2024 will not divisible by 6. Clear? Right. Now 7. After divisibility rule 6, you have to get divisibility rule of 7. But 7 I will try to discuss at the end. After the 11, divisibility rule 11, I will try to discuss 7. Because 7 has some extra explanation apart from all this. Okay? So that is a different case. Okay? Now divisibility rule 8. Same, this is similar to divisibility rule 4. In the divisibility rule 4, what we have did, last 2 digit of a number is divisible by 4, then the whole number is divisible by 4. But in the case of 8, same but not 2 digits, 3 digits. If last 3 digits of a number is divisible by 8, then the whole number is divisible by 8. Same problem, same formula. The 2 digits here, there are 2 digits here, 3 digits. You take up 3 digit number and extra. Suppose 864, 3 digit number. Last 3 digit number, it is only 3 digit number. Last 3 digit number is nothing but this is only. Is this clear? Okay. So if you take up 864, will it divisible by 8 means general division only you have to do. Like cancellation. 8 ones are 8, 0, 8 6 are. Right? So it is divisible by 8 8 are. 108 times it goes. So it is divisible by 8. Therefore whole number means it is 3 digit only. So that is divisible by 8. Clear cutly. Suppose apart from 3 digit number, 4 digit or 5 digit or 6 digit, whatever it may be. Suppose 7 digit, whatever may be the number, you take up 98480. Okay. 98480 means this is a 5 digit number. You have to check last 3 digits whether that particular last 3 digit number formed by these last 3 digits is divisible by 8 or not. Check out 8 6 of 480. So last 3 digits are divisible by 8. So whole number 98480 will also divisible by 8. So clear cutly here 8 divides 864 and 8 is also divides 9 here. In this case what we have to do means as 480 divides with 8, so it is also divides with the whole number. Enter. Last 3 digits are divisible, so whole number will also divisible by 8. 98480. Clear? As last 3 digits are divisible by 8, then the whole number 98480 is also will also divisible by 8. Clear na? Right. Next divisibility rule 9 and 10 rules. Okay. Right. Next divisibility rule 9. Divisibility rule of 9. See, same as divisibility rule of 3. In the divisibility rule, sum of the digits of a number is divisible by 3, then the whole number is divisible by 3. Here, sum of the digits of a number is divisible by 9, then the whole number is also divisible by 9. Same procedure. There is not at all change. No change at all. Right. Suppose any number you can take up. 972. I am taking. So will it divisible by 9 or not means what you have to do? We have to check whether it is divisible by sum of its numbers divisible by 9 or not. What are the numbers sum here? 9 plus 7 plus 2. How much will it? I think 18. Will it divisible by 8 and 9? Yes. As 9 divides 18, that also divides 972. Is this clear? Some second example, if we take out some 60732, let us take. Okay. Will it divisible by 9 or not? Means 6 plus 0 plus 7 plus 3 plus 2. How much you get? 6, 9, 5, 12, 18. Again, it has also got 18. So, as 9 divides 18, it also divides 60732. Clear? Simple. What we did in the case of divisibility rule 3, same we have to cut copy paste for 9 also. But we are divisible to 3, here divisible 9. That's all. Right? Now come to the divisibility rule 10. It's very simple. Very simple. If any number ends with 0, blindly we can say that the number is divisible by 10. Or ends with nothing but unit digit or last digit. If the unit digit or last digit of a number is 0, then the whole number will be divisible by 10. Simply, you can take up example like any LKG bacha can say this. Isn't it? 10, 2023, 2220, 10000000. Any number 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 0, 786, 7865, 4. If I say like this, this number will not divisible by 10 because it is not ending with a 0. Clear? Right. Now next divisibility rule is 11. Right. Next divisibility rule 11. Divisibility rule of 11. So let us see here. If the difference of the sum of the digits, at odd places and sum of the digits at even places is either 0 or a number divisible by 11, then the whole number is divisible by 11. Is this clear? Just here, look at here. The difference of the sum of the digits at odd places and sum of the places at even places is 0 or number divisible by 11. You can see here example. I will check. I'll write an example. 14641. Let us take. Now first is odd place, next even place, right? Odd, even, odd, even, odd. So I'll write first now sum of the digits at odd places. How much? 1 plus 6 plus 1. 1 plus 6 plus 1. How much? 8. Next, sum of the digits at even places. How much? 4 plus 4. 8. What is the difference here? What is the difference? Difference is equal to 8 minus 8, which is 0. As per the divisibility rule 11 condition, the difference should be either 0 or number divisible by 11. Here we got 0. So once we got the difference is 0, then we can conclude that the whole number is divisible by 11. Therefore, 11 divides 14641. Clear, Nana? Like this, you take up any number and same procedure. Write the number and put the odd even places. Then try to find out the sum of the digits in odd places and sum of the digits in even places. You will get some result and do the difference. If this is big, this minus this. If this is big, this minus this. You do it. If you get the result is 0 or number divisible by 11, if we get, then we can conclude that 11 divides that particular given number. Otherwise, 11 will not divide the given number. Clear? Right. As I have discussed here, divisibility rule of 7 I did not discuss in the meanwhile. While 6 after 6 I have went for 8. So at that time I was told you that I'll discuss this is at the end after 11. So divisibility rule of 11 is completed. Now divisibility rule for 7. This rule is for 7. This is only applicable for 3-digit number. This is only applicable for 3-digit number. Please try to remember, this is if the given number is a 3-digit number, then only this is valid, right? If 2a plus 3b plus c is divisible by 7, then the whole number is divisible by 7. What is 2a, what is 3b, what is c? Where a is 100th digit of the given number, b is 10th digit of given number, c is unit digit of the given number. Clear? So for the given 3-digit number, you have to write in this form and you have to find out this sum, and that sum is divisible by 7, then whole number is divisible by 7. Is this clear? Let us take an example. Sum 294 I am taking. Whether this is divisible by 7 or not, you have to check. What is a? Here a is 2, b is 9 and c is 4. Now 2a plus 3b plus c you can check here. What is 2 into 2 plus 3 into 9 plus 4? Here 4 plus 3 9s are 27 plus 4. 8 means 35. Total 35. Is 35 is divisible by 7 or not? Yes. 7 divides 35. Once this sum is divisible by 7, then the whole number is divisible by 7. Therefore, 7 also divides 294. Clear? Like this 343 you take up. Like that, in that case also you have to do the same procedure. The thing in this case you need to remember is 2a plus 3b plus c should be divisible by 7, where a is the 100th digit of the given 3-digit number, and b is the 10th digit of the given number, c is the unit digit of the given number. Here c is the unit digit, that is 4, b is the 10th digit, that is 9, a is the 100th digit, that is 2. So try to find out the sum I obtained as 35. Clearly 35 is divisible by 7. So once that this sum is divisible by 7, then the whole number is divisible by 7 according to this rule. Right? So 7 also divides 294. You like this, you take up any other example in the same manner, any 3-digit number, you can check out whether it is divisible by 7 or not. Clear? Right, now just now we have seen divisibility rule of 7 for 3-digit numbers, right? Now when the number has more than 3-digit numbers, when the number has more than 3 digits, then how to find the divisibility rule? Please look at here, right? When the given number has more than 3 digits, what you have to do? If it has more than 3 digits, first divide the given number into groups of 3-digit numbers. Divide the given number into groups of 3-digit numbers from right to left. Right? Next, after grouping it, what you have to do? We have to add the numbers in the alternate groups. You will find few groups, 2 groups or 3 groups or 4 groups, 5 groups. What are meant? Suppose if you find 4 groups, in the first group and third group you have to add, and second group and fourth group numbers you have to add, like that, adding for the second step. Next, find the difference of the numbers obtained in the second step. Whatever the sums you obtained in the second step, 1 and 3 steps you are adding and you are getting some sum, and second 2 and 4 steps you are adding and you are getting some sum. Those sums difference you need to find out in the third step. Once you find the difference, the total number, whatever may be the number, if the given number has 12 digits also, 10 digits also, 9 digits also, 7 digits also, whatever may be the number has any number of digits, it will be reduced to 3-digit number. It will be reduced to 3-digit number. Just now already we have discussed what is the rule for divisibility rule for only 3-digit number, 2a plus 3b plus c. That is what we have to check after reducing the given number to 3 digits. We have to check the divisibility rule for 7 for given 3-digit number. Now let us take one number. I will take 11. If you take a 11 7649, let us take just the number Now what did I say? This has 6 digits. This has 6 digits, right? Now we have to divide it into groups. How? 3-digit groups. For every group should contain 3 digits. From right to left. From right to left. 3-digit one group. Just to draw a line like this. So you have, in this case we have only one group. In this case we have only two. It has divided into 2 groups. As it has 6 digits, so it will be divided into only 2 groups. First step is we have completed. Next, in the second step, what you have to add the numbers in the alternate groups. Alternate this group in after this, any other group exists, no other group exists to add it. Okay, so second group is not necessary in this case, because if the given number has more than 6 digits, if it has more than 6 digits, then only this second step will useful for us. Okay, in this case there is no need of second step. Now we need to find the difference of the numbers obtained in the second step. So we did not find anything in the second step. We need to find out the difference of the numbers. So addition, suppose if you want to take, you can take 0. Here 3 zeros, here 3 zeros, you can keep here 3 zeros also keep in. If you add also, you will get the same number. Okay, so need not to worry about it. So what we need to do the difference? Here only 2 groups are like this. So the difference of these 2 groups we need to find out. Find out the difference. 649 minus 117. 9 minus 7 2, 4 minus 1 3, 6 minus 1 5. 532 you got it, right? Now for now 6-digit number has reduced to 3-digit number. Already we know how to find the 3-digit number, whether it is divisible by 7 or not. Let us check it. Now for this 3-digit number you need to check the divisibility rule 7. What is that? 2a plus 3b. What is a here? Here a is 3, b is 3, a is 5 and c is 2. Now let us check 2a plus 3b plus c. We need to check 2 into 5. 2 into 5 plus 3 into 3 plus 1 into 2. Right? 2 5s are 10 plus 9 plus 2. 19 plus 2, 21. Is 21 divisible by 7 or not? Yes. 7 divides 21. Therefore, whole number, if this last 3-digit number is divisible by 21, then the whole number is also divides 7 divides whole number, or else whole number is divisible by 7. What is that number? 117 649. So this is the way to find out the divisibility rule of 7 if the given number contains more than 3 digits. Clear? Okay. I hope we have completed all the divisibility rules. We have discussed in this video. We have discussed divisibility rule 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 and 11. Above the divisibility rule of any other number more than 11, all will combination of these numbers only, whatever I have discussed so far. Suppose if you take a divisibility rule for 12, in order to divide a number by 12, in order to divide or in order to divisible by 12, that number must be divisible by 3 and 4. You can write the 12 as 3 into 4. So that particular given number should satisfy the divisibility rule 3, divisibility rule 4. Then only we can say that if 3 and 4 satisfies, then 12 is also satisfied. Means if a number is divisible by 3 and 4, then it is also divisible by 12. Like this, you take out any composite number that can be split into this one of this from 2 to 11, and we will check it. Okay, these are the fundamental divisibility rules from 2 to 11, where everyone must give attention to these steps. Then only divisibility will be understand, and remaining sums in the number system, whatever it may be, in the number system there will be more chance to understand, and easily you can solve any problems, right? So far viewers, those who have not yet subscribed to my channel, please subscribe it, like it and share it.